Introduction to greedy and brute force algorithms.
Algorithms are step-by-step methods for solving problems. Two fundamental approaches are greedy and brute force algorithms. Understanding the difference between these helps beginners choose the most effective method depending on the problem at hand. Let's dive into what makes each algorithm type unique and when to use them.
What is a greedy algorithm?
A greedy algorithm makes the optimal choice at each step, hoping these local choices lead to a global solution. It doesn't reconsider past decisions. Greedy algorithms are often faster and require less computation. However, they only work well when a problem structure guarantees that choosing the local best leads to the overall best solution.
What is a brute force algorithm?
Brute force algorithms try all possible solutions to find the best one. They guarantee accuracy because they consider every scenario, but can be very slow for large problems. Brute force is simple to understand and implement. It's useful as a baseline or when the number of possible solutions is small and manageable.
Comparing greedy and brute force approaches.
Greedy algorithms trade some accuracy for efficiency. They're fast, but don't always produce the optimal result. Brute force algorithms always find the best answer, but at the cost of speed and resources. Greedy is preferred for time-sensitive or large problems with a clear greedy structure. Brute force suits smaller or more complex problems needing guaranteed accuracy.
When should you use each approach?
Use greedy algorithms when the problem can be broken into steps where local choices lead to the best global outcome, like in coin change with certain denominations. Use brute force algorithms when you need certainty or the possible solutions are limited, such as small puzzles. Understanding the problem structure helps decide the best method.